Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be doing balayage on virgin hair. We're just going to be adding a little bit of dimension to make it look sun-kissed. I have the back parted into two sections, and I'll just be working my way up each side using TEASYLIGHTS slices. My sections are going to be about an inch, and then my subsections within that are about 1/4 inch. I am placing the product lower down and then just feathering up, and this way it's going to give me a really off-root look. And since she has pretty thick hair and no lightener in it, I'm going really heavy on my saturation. When I'm working on hair like this, I just like to sandwich my foils rather than fold them up, and this just ensures that I get the best saturation and the best lift possible. I had started with 10 volume, and I'll be switching it to 15 and then 20 throughout this process. And moving on to the front sections, I'm just going to be doing fine weaves around her hairline. I'm going to be doing 2 back to back and popping 1 above her ear. And this is all going to be with 15 vol, and I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Because her front strands felt really fine in my hands and I didn't want them to go too bright, I just sectioned them away, and they're going to be put in last. And then working on the interior, I'm just going to be doing teasy slices the whole way through, same sectioning as the back, so there's quite a bit of depth and just a little highlight between it. Since her hair is a lot finer in the front, I am comfortable folding my foils up, so that's why I've moved back into that method.
I could see that being kits. I want to, yeah. Time off in the winter. Okay, yeah. Sunshine. Yeah. Not really. One of my clients you've heard before, I guess. Okay, that makes sometimes. Right. And they're on down.
And through this interior section, after the money piece, I did switch the volume to 20, and then in total it'll all sit for about 30 minutes to an hour once everything is applied. And finishing off in her front section, I've just taken a little bit of hair from each side of her parting, and I'm putting 2 back-to-back baby weaves, and this is just going to give her a really nice subtle glow in the front. Once we've pulled those foils, we're going to mix up for her root melt, and I'm mixing up equal parts 5 and 7 AG of shade ZQ, and I'm just going to be working through 4 quadrants starting in the front, and I am just tapping down where that natural base meets the highlight, and this is just going to blend everything together really seamlessly. Once it's applied, I'm going to spray my leave-in conditioner in to even out the porosity, and then I'm just going to comb it all through. The more combing, the better. And before I started combing, I set my timer for 20 minutes, and then we're going to be toning with 8N, 8GI, 7NB, and 9G. And here are the results. It turned out so pretty. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.